Hello everyone, I thought I'd get you to take a look at this. The human genome needs updating, but how do we make it fair? Well, pretty much that's saying that God's creation isn't good enough, but they want to, make it fair. So in June 2000, Bill Clinton, the then U.S. president, stood smiling next to the leaders of the Human Genome Project. In genetic terms, all human beings, regardless of race, are more than 99.9% the same, he declared. That was the message when the first draft of human genome sequence was revealed at the White House. The single string of A's, T's, C's, and G's eventually became the first human reference genome. Since its publication in 2003, the reference has revolutionized genome sequencing and helped scientists find thousands of disease-causing mutations. Yet, at its core is somewhat an ironic problem. The code meant to represent the human species is mostly based on just one man from Buffalo, New York. Though humans are very similar, one person is not the representative of the world, says Puyan Kwok, if that's the name. A specialist in genome analysis based at University of California. So, as I said before, they think that God's creation isn't good enough and it needs fixing, so they want to tamper with it. So, have a look at this. Okay, so this is the Human Genome Project. The Human Genome Project is one of the greatest scientific feats in history. The project was a voyage of biological discovery led by an international group of researchers looking to comprehensively study all the DNA, known as the genome, of a select set of organisms. Launched in October 1990 and completed in April 2003, the Human Genomes Project's signature accomplishment, generating the first sequence of the human genome, provided fundamental information about the human blueprint. Take note of that word, everyone, blueprint, which has since accelerated the study of human biology and improved the practice of medicine. And then with this, everyone, what I'm going to do is I'll add all of the links in the description below. But coincidentally, just after I read these articles, quite fascinating, a brother of ours actually put on a video that matches it perfectly. And I'm telling you, perfectly. Now take note, why is the Clinton, then the president, is backing it? 1990, they say? There you are. They've been doing this since 1990. And if you take a look at the step and lock, this is the biggest thing as with their technology that you use from said, electrical sources to the brain. And it's called voice to the head is what it's called. So anyhow, that's the only way I can explain that without getting knocked. Let me know what you guys think. I love each and every one of you. And I pray to our holy King Jesus every day that he protects you and blesses you richly. Take care, everyone. King Jesus bless you all.
Human Genome Project was carried out at the Lawrence Berkeley National Lab, where I was a staff scientist for 5 years. They were tracking people in the lab by the electromagnetic frequency emitted by individuals' DNA. The DNA in every living thing has a unique frequency and signal. That is what they're using, what they're focusing on, and what they're weaponizing to completely control us.
All they need is to kind of identify your DNA fingerprint like with your name, and then they can watch you 24 hours a day.